Good morning, Tigers. This morning I'm going to go over how to record your Google Meet. The first thing that you need to do, of course, is to go into your Google Classroom. When you're ready to start a meeting with your students, hopefully you have let them know what time you're going to start that meeting. You can go to your Google Class, and as long as you have enabled Google Meet in your Google Classroom, then you should have a Meet link here at the top. I'm going to click on my Meet link, and then I'm going to join. Now that I've joined in on my Meet, the next thing that I'm going to do is make sure that my meeting is recorded. To do that, I'm going to click on the three dots down here, or we call it our pancake stack or our snowman, and we're going to click on Record Meeting and accept. And you can see up here at the top it is now recording, and we can then let our students in and have our meeting. We can have our discussions, we can ask our questions, and then when we are done recording, it's important that you go back down to the three dots and you click on Stop Recording and click Stop Recording. You'll see that red button go away up here that says recording, and now you know that you are no longer recording your meeting. Now, another thing that's important to note is that if you were to try to Screencastify on top of your Google Meeting, then you will not be able to use the tools down here at the same time. If you want to save your meeting for future use beyond the 30 days, you will need to record your meeting. Then when you're ready, you can have your meeting pulled up on your screen. You can listen back to it while you go and have Screencastify record your desktop. Okay, so the two of them will not work together simultaneously. As you're doing your meeting, you cannot Screencastify over it. However, you can replay your meeting back, and then you can Screencastify and record the meeting for future use beyond the 30 days. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.